watching bruceseesall.
What's this? There it is. Nice biggie. I started a fire. Wow. I'm by my house in front. There he is, going by the house on the other side. Damn bright. I could see it bright in the sky. Not bright enough to be orange. When they get really bright, and you start seeing an orange color coming off of them, and it's like, it's not high, eh? Like, look. See that? Like, I mean, we're really low here in the trees. Taking its merry time here. Wow. You just hover around the trees and always like 800 feet from me. Incredible. And the fuckers. A drone. Several of them. Son of a bitch. Come back, motherfucker. You fucking drone. Green light buzzing around. Big enough too, man. Oh, fuck. And the fuckers. The drone. Several of them.
But the fun didn't stop there. Over the dipper, a flashing star. What?
Guys, I am tripping out. Guys, we're over the Big Dipper. And I just saw, oh, now it's moving. There's another one there. Guys, drones or something. And this one was stationary, flashing really high in the sky.
It's not drones. We saw one coming from it. A smaller light coming from this light.
Something weird about that. Ooh.
More lights just left it. Did you see that? More lights just left it. We'll look at that again.
Oh, now I'm seeing... What's that color? Whatever you are, I caught ya. What the hell? It's flashing, but it's not a plane. It's even stationary at times. Now,
right down tip point of my garage where the UFOs always are.
Holy shit, what the hell? Okay.
Nobody's showing this shit, guys. Check it out. Watch around the supposed drone, let's call it, right? Let's not hide it. Look at the light that's going to go by underneath it, either coming from it or whizzing. There it is, going by it really fast. Imagine being able to show what looks like a drone and a UFO in the same screen.
The problem is,
it's happening. Activity is ramping up here a lot.
I'm tripping, guys. I saw a green UFO tonight, and now a blue one. A flash for me, a nice blue light. That's crazy. What is that? I hope you guys see it blue. How can it be blue if I'm friggin' using infrared? What's blue and infrared? What is that? That's nuts. It's like zooming in. Yeah, it's blue. Look at that, guys. What the freaking hell? Okay, I just saw a falling star underneath. What a cool evening. Yeah, it's blue. Look at that, guys. What the freaking hell? Okay, I just saw a falling star underneath. What a cool evening. And that is definitely not a drone.
And you're looking at a UFO and stars with the infrared camera with the infrared setting off. Paul Sabo, Pat Gassar, Darla Lama, Ruth Kelly, everyone who contributed, gifting out the memberships, and every way you have, Kristen Kruger, Michelle Preston. Thank you so much for the generous contributions, everyone. Thank you, Eric Dubé. Merci pour tout. Aliens on the moon. When are they going to tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And then mining. And then mining on the moon. Aliens on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos. Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are landing on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.